ज़्यादा चीज़ मिस नहीं हुआ. You can understand it even. So formation of Andes Mountain and ocean plate, I have said that it is made up of what? Basalt. And this one is which plate I said? And continental plate is thicker. It is in a subducting. And another picture I can make like this South America, and the South American plate is moving westward, and there is a which plate? Nazca plate is moving eastward. Understood it? Nazca plate is moving eastward. और ये किसके ऊपर फ्लोट कर रहा है? They are floating over the astronosphere. Yes or no? And then denser, which one is denser? Nazca oceanic plate. And this is in a which plate I said that? South American plate. And it is moving what? This side, and they are converging. This is the zone of convergence. And when they are converging, so let us, और थोड़ा सा मैंने पहले भी कभी कुछ बताया होगा. When they are converging, the denser oceanic, which plate is denser? Oceanic Nazca? Denser oceanic Nazca plate moving eastward, converging with the what? South American plate moving westward and converging. And during the convergence, what happened? And during convergence, denser Nazca plate started subducting. Understood? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? And ये कब start हुआ? It started 60 to 70 million years ago. When it has been started? When it has been started? 60 to 70 million years ago. Is it okay? So which two plates are converging? Nazca and South American plates are, yes, tell me, converging. And who is denser? Tell me. Denser Nazca plate. What is happening? Subducting below less denser, yes, South American plate. Understood? Yes or not? Denser Nazca plate is subducting below less denser South American plate. And during subduction, what is there? I have said that there will be some scratch mark. There will be some scratch, and scratch says some material will come. And this material which are depositing in this region, the materials which are depositing in this region, it is known as an what? Then there is a which sediment? Accretionary wedge sediment. ये sediment आ गया. Understood? What comes? Very simple, I am saying accretionary wedge sediment. And after that, this is now I said that ocean. In this ocean, then there is a what? River started there depositing their sediments. River started depositing their sediments. ध्यान इधर दें. River started depositing their sediments. So which sediment is there? River deposited sediment. Which sediment is more? River deposited sediment more or accretionary waste sediment? River deposited. And these two sediments together known as geosyncline. What is known as? Deposited sediment. Known as what? Understood? Nazca and South American plates are converging. denser Nazca plate, yes, moving, I said that where? Eastward, converges with the west South American plate. And during this one, the denser Nazca plate subducting below less denser South American plate. And thereafter what comes? Accretionary waste sediment. And then what comes? Yes, river deposited sediment. And they become what? Geosyncline. And इसके बाद क्या हुआ? इसके वजह से this sediment, give me your book. This geosyncline, it is over there at the point of what is a convergence. And under the compressional force, they started what? Folding. और यहाँ तक पहले था sediment. This sediment started coming here and then coming over there. Again यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? गड्ढा. Again the deepest deep. Earlier where there accretionary waste sediment all has what is come into the formation of buckled into fold mountain. Buckled into fold mountain. Buckled into what? Buckled into this fold mountain. It is known as what? Thank you. Andes mountain. So I said that what happened? Fourth point. Compressional force due to convergence. Compressed. किसको कंप्रेस किया? Compressed. इसको कौन सा geosyncline बोलूंगा? Which geosyncline? Andes geosyncline. Compressed. Andes geosyncline. Clear? Compressed and formed buckled into fold mountain, and that is known as which mountain? Andes, and running from, extending from north to south. So who has helped to the formation of Andes mountain? Simple. The line is, I said that around 60 to 70 million years ago, Nazca plate, denser oceanic Nazca plate moving eastward, and less denser South American plate is moving westward. During convergence, denser oceanic plate Nazca subducted below. That led to there is an accretionary waste sediment, and along with the river deposit sediment. That become geosyncline, and this geosyncline under the compressional force buckled into fold mountain and is now to south. Understood it? अब यहाँ पे कैसा अर्थक्वेक होगा? 0 to 70, क्योंकि पूरा 100 किलोमीटर का जोन है. 0 to shallow focus earthquake. Intermediate, मैग्मा की वजह से मैग्मा फॉर्म होगा, फ्रिक्शन एंड ऑल, एंड देयर विल बी डीप फोकस अर्थक्वेक. सो फोर्थ, सो द मेजर पॉइंट अभी क्या देखा आपने, और ये क्या देखा आपको? तो दिस हैज बीन फोल्डेड इनटू, यस टेल मी, Andes, and there is a formation of what I said that north to south Andes mountain. और अगेन यहां पर अब क्या हो गया? The deepest part of the ocean, if you come from the coast, so you will get the deepest part of the ocean away from the coast and near to the coast. Near to the coast at the subduction zone. And that is known as oceanic trench. That is known as what? So what you have got? बताओ, नीचे का लिख रहे हो ना, ऊपर का तो लिख लिया ना. So what you have got? First you have got Andes fold mountain. After this process, now we have got the deepest oceanic trench and the deepest and world longest the oceanic trench. And there is in a Peru country, and this is in a Chile country. This is known as in a Peru-Chile trench. So there is in a deep oceanic trench. Trench का मतलब क्या होता है? Deepest part of the ocean. And what is the name? Peru, Chile. And its length is 6,100 kilometers. What is its length? World longest trench. Clear? Now third point, shall I remove this? एक बार फर्स्ट समझ में आ गया, रॉकीज भी आप इजी कर जाएंगे. Shall I remove now? Now what will happen? There will be an what formation of granitic magma, and that will lead to explosive volcanic eruption. And how do the magmas are forming? Friction, addition of water, release of pressure. That I made you understand. And there will be what is an explosive volcanic eruption. There will be explosive volcanic eruption. Fourth, just tell me, volcano हो गया और क्या बच गया? Fold, mountain range, volcano. Volcano के साथ और क्या बोलता हूँ मैं? Yeah? Yes, earthquake. कौन सा earthquake आएगा? Shallow. कहानी बताने के बाद भी आप लोग ऐसे बोलोगे, ये shallow भी होगा और magma जब इस depth से आएगा, गुड़ 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 गुड़, release of pressure. And if it is coming from there, the shallow, intermediate, and understood. When the magma comes up, then what will happen? Granular. So shaking the earth. जैसे पेट में there is an. So I said that there will be shallow, intermediate, and deep focused earthquake. Clear? Friction, addition of water, and release of pressure. You remember all? हाँ, जहाँ जहाँ तक है, जहाँ तक सबडक्शन हो रहा है वहाँ पर. और यदि इस ट्रेंच में जिस जगह यहाँ पे सपोज करो कि रिवर बहुत बड़ा है, फिल्ड कर दिया, तो यहाँ पर ट्रेंच खत्म. Deposition of sediments will be there also, ना? If it has been filled up by the river deposit sediment, it will be in the millions years. और इसको बनने में कितना साल लगा? 8 million years. Shall I remove? Now we are going to see the another ocean continental convergence, but the formation of Rockies and Western Cordillera. Rockies and Western Cordillera. Clear? Western Cordillera, Cordillera. Is it okay? Now the same thing is here, but this side figure get changed. And here we have which plate? Juan D. John फूक दिया, Juan D. फूका, oceanic plate. And this one is, yes, tell me. North American, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना दूं मैं. This is I said that Juan D. Fuca. और ये किधर मूव कर रहा है ईस्टवर्ड? And this is North American plate moving westward. This Juan D. Fuca plate is moving this side and North American plate is moving this side. And then first I said that formation of Rockies, and that is I said that 90 to 100 million years ago. How much? How much? How many? 90 to 100 million years ago. And what happened here? When it will go down the same way. And which plate is this? Juan D. Fuca. Plate is moving eastward. And then South American plate moving westward. During the convergence around 90 to 100 million years ago, Juan D. Fuca plate is moving eastward and then South American plate it is moving westward, and denser Juan D. Fuca plate subducted below less denser North American plate. During the subduction there is, I said that accretionary waste sediment, and there is a large amount of what I said that river deposited sediment. Clear? यही तो बोला. And that has become what? Geosyncline. Saying I'll say the same thing. And this geosyncline under the compressional force folded into, buckled into fold mountain Rockies. And there is a formation of, I said that, formation of which mountain?